Hey guys, this is Epson EcoTank ET-5150. I'm going to show you how to set this printer up. Once you switch this printer on from this button, then you select your language. See the Start Here bundle with printer or website to complete the initialization. Now what I'm going to do is to show you how to install the ink bottles. Open up the ink bottle cover. Open it up this way. Now you take this is black ink bottle. Remove the cap. So you go in. So you need to make sure black goes to BK. So once you reach the top, it will stop automatically. This is done. Then you remove it, cover it, close the cap. Then the next is cyan. Cyan, go in. The next is magenta. Magenta. Yellow. Yellow. The cyan is done. Just remove it. Close it. The next is magenta. Close the cap for the cyan. Then go with magenta. Magenta is done. Just remove it. Close the cap. The last but not the least is yellow. and go in. So the yellow is done. Remove it. Close this. Then close the cap. So after you fill the ink tank, you will see this message, see the Start Here bundle with printer or website to complete the initialization. So you press the question button for 5 seconds. So you press this button for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And you will see Start Initialization. Confirm that the ink tank is filled with the ink. Then you select Done. Initialization, please wait. Do not turn the power off until initialization is complete. This takes about 11 minutes. And you will see the line that need to go to the end. You can see the line. Here we go. Initialization complete. Move on to print quality adjustment. So this is how to install the ink. Thank you very much.